Hey everyone, welcome. Yes, I'm still making videos geeking out about Ezoic and the Big Data Analytics. I know I did a video last week about analytics and just walking you through some of the options as it relates to the pages and the information that you can get through Ezoic about what your pages are earning. And honestly, I feel kind of dumb because I really didn't realize this last week while I was making that video. But this data with Big Data Analytics that I can get access to actually answers a question that I have had rolling around in my brain for many months. How do we as content site creators, operators, business owners, how can we tell whether or not a specific article is successful or it was a successful investment or whether it was a good idea to have spent $10, $20, $100 on ordering that particular article from that particular author and posting it on the website? Now, just because an article gets traffic doesn't mean it was a good investment. Yes, I know if you are posting affiliate content, Amazon or to a piece of software or some other product, you're going to be able to tell whether or not that article was effective. But what we're talking about is with display ads. And I know this should have just occurred to me the other day when I was making that other video doing the walkthrough, but it really just struck me today. I can go down to a particular day and see how much a particular article earned. Now, obviously I can't go back and look at any data before I joined Ezoic, so I don't know what that article earned before. And with AdSense, unless you put specific ad units on a specific page and then tracked those specific ad units, you would never know. I just never had the time or the desire to go through and with hundreds of pages create a specific ad unit for a specific spot and then track the data for that one ad unit in that one spot. And so what you're looking at here is my Ezoic platform. You can see that I've blurred out all the particular details, but all you have to do to find it is go to Pages. And then when you click on Pages, it will bring you up with this particular screen. You'll see up here the date range. So I've chosen December 20th, which is the day that, the last day that I have data for the page, for any of the pages. And then you can go down and see the page views and the actual revenue for this one day for December 20th, what this particular article earned. Now, I know you can't see the articles over here, but you can see the page views and then the money earned for that particular page view and or for that particular article and then the other information about that particular page. So I could go and just find out today or yesterday what that article earned. And then historically going back, I can see how much that particular article has earned. And finally, from this data, I will know if that particular investment in that article, whether I spent $10 or $20, I will actually know if I earn my money back or not, be as it may. I know this isn't groundbreaking, right? Like it's like a change your business sort of metric. But for me, it kind of is because I felt like I was sort of just going around in the dark. Like I didn't know if what I was doing was really successful. I just had the overall picture, right? Was the site earning or not? And now I can see which of my articles are total earnings failures or mediocre or really good. And it also gives me a lot of ideas of what sorts of keywords are working and earning money. Before I was trying to rely on tools, that gave you the estimated CPC for a particular niche or a particular keyword like an Ahrefs. But those are always estimates. You never really know for sure whether or not you can trust them. It's really funny because some of the articles I invested a ton of money in have earned very little. And then some of the articles that I wrote myself, just finding a random keyword and thought, all right, I'll just dash out, 1,000 or 1,500 really quick words and just hit publish and then walk away and then move on. Some of those, hurry up, just get it published articles are actually doing really well. There's always the danger of having too much data because then you find all of your time being engrossed by staring at the metrics. And I do this all the time. So what I see myself having to do in the near future is limit the amount of time that I spend just surfing around on Ezoic. Because what I'm seeing here in the data is that those quick articles that I just do, some quick keyword research and then, all right, I'm just going to get something published. That is earning money. I think overall I need to stop spending so much time looking for the right keyword or the best keyword or the top earning keyword and then focus on getting something published. So yes, I'm still loving Ezoic. And if you are thinking about jumping into Ezoic, I think it's a great idea, assuming that your site has enough traffic, which is at least about 10,000 sessions a month. Though I have heard that Ezoic has accepted sites that has less traffic but shows a strong growth curve. If you are thinking about jumping in, please find an affiliate of Ezoic to use their link. My link is down in the description. And the reason that I say this is that Ezoic will pay affiliates 3% of the publisher earnings when you sign up through their link. Just doing that simple thing could have a massive impact for a struggling affiliate who needs to earn some money in order to outsource more articles or to invest in tools. So if you don't use my link in the description, go find someone else's link and make sure that you use it because it will make a huge difference and it won't cost you anything or anything more. As always, please, before you go down into the comments and let me know what you're working on. How's your progress? How are things going? I want to hear about it. And then smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.